Hey everyone, let's compare those two tools who is booming right now. One was a ChatGPT, which I can analyze image for code, brainstorming, discuss with something, create image. All I can do it from here. But there is a but. This is a paid tool. If I searches for something, it is response so quick. Otherwise, it's very good tool. Response are too good, but it's paid. If you reach any certain level, then you can't use it free any and wait for the cooldown period. Otherwise you have to pay. But when you are working with something and you need to work on something, there is a difficulty. But in DeepSeek R1, chance to use it as a local. I make a video about it, how to run Ollama in local machine. Here is it. If you close that and stop responding, yeah, now it's run locally. It's the R1 1 billion model. You could if this that is analyzing what is it, what I am typing, then it will showcase the output. You have to be patient for achieving this result. So there is a result. You can compare it with and also this need to log in. It's grab your data for and keeping it at least 90 days, which are around 3 months, and if you request them, then they delete it. But after requesting, they take 90 days to delete it. So that's a very big data concern, and those tools are fine, but there is a plus point in DeepSeek. The first point is it's a free model. You can run it in computer, in your mobile. It takes your hardware and some resources and run it in locally. All your data will save there. But in ChatGPT you need an internet connection all time. Its results are so accurate. Both are so similar. It's like 99%, 98%. These are their accuracy level. But if you say what's my opinion, in my opinion are DeepSeek are best, because I run it in locally. If my internet goes down, my work will not stop. It will go and go and go. I can use various model which I like. I can, if I want to generate some picture, I can use it stable diffusion. I make a video about it. It's also free. If I want analyze my PDF, I can use this model, which also provide Ollama, and it's a free mode and it is a paid. So if you want to like to pay, and ChatGPT is a good option, but on my opinion DeepSeek are the best.